best
What's
week.
up, guys?
2025 was pretty epic. 2026 is.
We are watching Friday Night SmackDown. It's getting pretty good so far. Really good. It's getting real good.
And with momentum, walk out
Getting
as
real
tag team
good.
champions. But no matter what,
It's getting good.
we will still be best friends. I know. The gold is the friendship we've made along the way. I understand.
I'm telling you, when WrestleMania is tomorrow, I'm watching it. I want to see Chicken Fight too.
Above all else.
Dog
But how
walk.
great will real gold be tomorrow? Oh my god.
Drew McIntyre. None of the
Alexa
mean.
Bliss, Charlotte Flair,
Yeah.
two-time tag team winners.
Chicken Fight 2's all gas. No breaks with it. You none of the mean. Woo! Guys, WrestleMania's tomorrow. Get ready. ESPN, 6 p.m. Woo!
For the WWE Tag Team Championships to be defended.
Yes, we're ready for WrestleMania. On the road to 200 subscribers, and yes.
Unusual duos in WWE history, but these two might take the cake. Yeah, one of the most unexpected of tag team champions.
Yes, we're on the road to 200 subscribers. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and yes, I'll be streaming tomorrow for some Red Dead Redemption. See you guys later.